Hey guys, welcome back to another quick how-to, and today I'll be teaching you on how to get free gems in Stumble Guys. The first thing that you'll need to do is to open your game application, and here at the top right side of your screen you can see this gems icon or the plus icon, so you just have to click on it. And then here you would be able to see different sections where you can get gems. But for the sections, you can see that in order to get these gems, you have to pay for this one. So we're not going to choose this. Instead, we're going to slide to our very right. And here we can see the earn free gems and then get offer. Just have to click on it. And here you can see bunch of choices where you can earn free gems. So for example, okay, let's choose this one. So in order to get the 121 gems, we have to click on this one to see the details of what are the terms and conditions that we have to do in order to gain up to 121 gems. So when you click on that specific task, you'd be able to see here the details. So we have to complete all of the 10 tasks. So basically, each of these tasks, we can see here at the right side the gems that we can get. And if we're going to finish all of the tasks, we're going to get up to 121 gems. So here, let's see, and let's try another example. So basically, we just have to find something that is easy to finish. So for example, this one. So when we click on this, we'll be able to see the details. So we have to play any games you like on Moneywell. Just play for 35 minutes to claim your reward. So we can claim up to 46 gems by playing this game. Okay, so that's a wrap. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more quick how-to videos next time. Adios.